Hi everyone, so this is my Seamaster 300 Professional, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on the Zealande vulcanized rubber strap. This is the strap that I got for the Seamaster because I was getting sick and tired of constantly trying to adjust my bracelet with the half links. Half of the time I ended up wearing it either too loose or too tight. And I'm a big fan of this bracelet. It's very comfortable, but the lack of adjustment in the clasp has been a nightmare, to be honest. So for this summer I've decided to finally pull the trigger on a strap. This is a high quality strap and it should be very well color matched with the watch. So yeah, let me put it on the watch and I'll show you how it looks like on the camera. Alright, there it is. Geez, was that difficult. I'm really happy that I didn't try to do it on camera because it was an absolute horror removing the Seamaster bracelet, especially when your tool is not so refined. Anyhow, putting the strap was easy enough because there is a sufficient gap between the case and the edge of the strap. The color match is pretty good. It's not 100%, but I think it's the closest it can get, keeping in mind that the Seamaster is really difficult to pin down in terms of its exact color because it changes dramatically together with the light. But yeah, this is how it looks like on the Zealande rubber strap. And yeah, let me pop it onto my wrist and show you how it looks like. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. The Seamaster 300 onto a Zealande rubber strap. Feels pretty comfortable. My initial concern for the length of the strap turned out to be a false one because I still have length, probably 3 more holes. Yeah, my wrist is 7 3/4. So yeah, should be fine up to 8, probably 8.5. Yeah, but this is how it looks like on the rubber strap. And now whenever I feel my hand is swelling and the strap is becoming a little bit too tight, then I can loosen it up or maybe tighten it if this is needed. Considering how difficult it was to remove the bracelet of the Seamaster, probably I wouldn't be doing very often these swaps. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm going to zoom in onto the watch so you can see the strap. I think I'm pretty happy with the result. It looks really well integrated with the locks and everything else, so it doesn't look like a cheap strap that I just hooked onto the Seamaster. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result here. Yeah, maybe a final thought from my side is that maybe if you decide to do a swap like this, consider companies like Zealande or others, because the only thing that I got from Omega is a code offer for an obscene amount of money for their rubber or silicone strap that would look pretty much the same way on your wrist. And considering this is a vulcanized rubber and the comfort of it is pretty high, I think it has a lifetime warranty. So this tells you that the guys who are selling this are pretty confident in what they're selling. So here I felt I got a lot more personal touch and for a fraction of the price. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments below, and tell me if I should go for the bright red strap on the Seamaster as well. Yeah, till next time.